In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find order on Temu account. If you've placed an order on Temu and want to check its status, tracking details, or delivery estimate, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is especially helpful if you're trying to confirm what you bought, see whether your package has shipped, or check if a return or refund option is available. To get started, open the Temu app on your Android phone or iPhone. Make sure you're using the official app and that it's fully loaded before moving on. Once the app is open, sign in to your Temu account. This is important because your order history is tied to the account you used when placing the purchase. If you have more than one account, be sure you're logged into the correct one so you can find the right order. After you're signed in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap You. This section is where Temu keeps your personal account information, settings, and purchase activity. From there, tap your orders, or in some versions of the app, it may simply say Orders. Both options take you to the same place, your order history. Once you're in the order section, browse through your order history to find the order you're looking for. If you've made multiple purchases, take your time and look for clues like the item image, order date, or current status. This can make it easier to identify the correct order quickly. When you find the order, tap on it to open the full details. Inside the order page, you'll be able to see useful information like the current order status, tracking information, the items you purchased, and the estimated delivery date. Depending on the order and its eligibility, you may also see return or refund options available there as well. This order details page is the main place to manage and review your purchase. So if you ever need updates about shipping or want to double check what was included in the order, this is where to go. And that's all it takes to find an order in your Temu account. Open the app, sign in, go to You, tap Orders, and select the order you want to review. It's a quick and reliable way to keep track of your purchases and stay updated on delivery progress.